Chapter 4 Kural 09. Welcome to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. Today, we explore Chapter 4, Kural 9. True joy blossoms only due to righteous deeds, all else cause unhappiness and disrepute. Namaste and greetings to all our viewers. In this episode, we delve into the profound wisdom of Thirukkural, a collection of couplets written by the great sage Thirukkural. Join us as we uncover the timeless teachings of Chapter 4, Kural 9. This particular Kural delves into the nature of true joy and happiness. According to Thirukkural, genuine and lasting happiness can only be attained through righteous deeds. Any other path will lead to unhappiness and disrepute. Let's explore the profound message encapsulated within this Kural. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of righteous actions as the foundation for true joy. It implies that engaging in virtuous deeds and leading a morally upright life is essential for experiencing genuine happiness. Righteous deeds encompass a wide range of actions that adhere to principles of integrity, kindness, compassion, and justice. They involve acts of selflessness, generosity, and treating others with respect and fairness. These actions not only benefit oneself but also contribute positively to society as a whole. Thirukkural suggests that the pursuit of material possessions, power, or selfish desires may provide temporary satisfaction, but it ultimately leads to unhappiness and disrepute. True joy, on the other hand, is cultivated through actions that promote harmony, righteousness, and the greater good. It is important to recognize that unrighteous actions, such as dishonesty, cruelty, and injustice, bring about negative consequences. They not only rob us of genuine happiness but also tarnish our reputation and standing in society. Thirukkulal's wisdom teaches us that our actions have a direct impact on our well-being and the well-being of those around us. By choosing the path of righteousness, we not only experience true joy but also contribute to a more harmonious and virtuous world. As we reflect on Chapter 4, Kural 9, we are reminded of the profound connection between righteous deeds and genuine happiness. It is through our actions that we sow the seeds of joy, reaping the rewards of contentment and inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Thirukkural. We hope that the wisdom of this ancient text continues to inspire and guide us towards a life filled with righteousness and true happiness. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your actions be righteous, and your joy everlasting.